Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you these Robo-Chi Poochi McDonald's toys from 2000. This is really a follow-up video of my older video I made ages ago of McDonald's toys in action, and these are from 2000. Obviously, this is 18 years later. I wasn't able to get the cat working last time, so here is a follow-up video. It is actually working now because they have free sound effects. And I've replaced all the batteries in these three. So it's really a follow-up video to preserve the audio on YouTube, because I've got a new camera now and I can show them in a bit more detail. So here is Poochi. Obviously he has his push down, make his ears flap, and here's the sounds that he makes. They all have 3 sounds each, so that's quite cool. So here we go. Oh yeah, but this is a shell from a fist one that I've got, but yeah. Alright, so that's the Poochi dog. Here's the cat, because I know everyone wanted to hear this last time. This one has a tail which you can actually move the arms up and down. It's pretty cool. And here are the sounds for this one. So it had like a hissing noise and the meowing. And the thing also purrs as well. Here they go. See if I can get that purring noise again. See if you're doing the meowing noise or the hissing noise. So you can try the other one. Anyway, it did do the purring noise, so that's in there as well. And last but not least is the bird here. The bird has like a flapping feature and a tail, which you can see here, but it should do the whole. This one's temperamental now, it doesn't really work that well. So yeah, they have the sound effects, but let's see if we can get on the purr one more time. Oh, there we go. So yeah, there's the 3 Robo-Chi pets, Robo-Poochi pets, now here in 2018 with their batteries again. So this is, as I said before, this is a follow-up video from my older video made ages ago of all the McDonald's Robo-Chi pets. So yeah, focus on YouTube. Bye. Bye. Bye.